Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video I'm going to show you how to bake this delicious vanilla sponge cake. Start off by preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and then put your eggs, salt, sugar and vanilla extract in a bowl, and then put the bowl over a pot of simmering water and whisk this together. It will start off slightly yellow like this, but then you keep on whisking, it will turn white in color and it will be really nice and fluffy. Remove from the heat and carry on whisking on your work surface until the mixture cools down. Sift in the flour mix and fold it in with a spatula until all the flour is mixed in. Add in your melted butter and fold it in well until it's nice and smooth. Pour the mixture into your prepared cake tin and then bake in the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes until it's nice and golden brown. Leave it in the tin for a few minutes and then remove it from the cake tin and leave to cool completely. I'm going to cut it and show you what it looks like inside. The texture is great, it tastes great, and is nice and baked through. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.